Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, part 2, installing the Max air fan. Dry fit today. I'm gonna dry fit it and make sure. Let's see. Right there. Fits like a glove. Alright, so I've got a file. I'm gonna file up to the edges of very, very sharp. I'm gonna make it a little smoother. Top of the van right now, and I'm taking a look at the clouds in the sky. It's kind of starting to turn gray, but I better not rain or I'm in big trouble. No. Okay, so I've got another sandpaper here for metal. Okay, so after sanding it, it's much smoother and better when we put the rust paint on, so not as sharp at all. Cut yourself. And like I say, it'll be better when we do the anti-rust paint. Okay, notice we still haven't taken the garbage bag underneath yet, because now I'm gonna tape off that area and I'm gonna wipe it down first of all, clean off with a dry cloth. Okay, underneath, inside there. Because what we're gonna do after this is now we're gonna tape it up, tape up the corners again, and then put some Rust-Oleum anti-rust paint. See what I did again is now I taped up and put some paper again to go around here. I taped it up again because I'm gonna do my spray coat of anti-rust at the edges there, because this will rust if you don't put anti-rust paint on it. So I taped it up again. You probably thought we were done with the taping. No, not yet. Okay, here's the Rust-Oleum anti-trim coat. I restarted it. Okay, we got the first coat done. We're gonna do 2 more. We're gonna do a total of 3 coats. Also spray paint from underneath to get every edge, the edge underneath and at the edges also. Oh no, it starts to rain. Okay, we got at least I got 1 coat of rust coat over that, so I'm gonna cover it up with some plastic bag right now. Okay. So it's starting to rain, so I put that plastic thing back on. I put the cardboard on top, and then I'm gonna put the garbage bag on top over here. That's the only thing we can do. And tape everything up. Alright, and hopefully it'll stop raining to continue it, or I might have to continue tomorrow. This kind of sucks. Okay. Okay, here we are. Starting to rain. So, I'm gonna wrap it up for today, I think. If we can get it going later on, we can, but if not, I highly doubt it. Oh, so lucky guys. It only drizzled for about half an hour and the sun came out again. And within an hour, I was out back at it again. Thank goodness. Then, unlucky, it rained the second time, so I had to pack it up again. And it also rained for another 20 minutes, and then the sun came out, so I went back at it again for the second time. Can you believe that? Well, you know what they say, the show must go on. There we get everything back out. There we go. Okay, time to take the garbage out and spray from underneath. Okay, here's a mistake I did, or something I screwed up there. I used the trim coat paint a little bit of splatter, and they got all over the, I don't know if you can see it, the furniture over here. And I got some on the floor, but Nancy was able to quickly take alcohol and take it out. There was some bigger spot that was over here, so able to take it out. Alcohol, that happens, quickly take alcohol to it to clean it up. Next, I'm just gonna cover this up with some cloth so I don't get it again, because I still have to do another coat inside. All right, that's the important area there. The rest of the area is going to be covered by the furniture, so this is the spot it's got to cover up. So watch out when you do use a spray paint. There is some splatter. It's part of the liner right here. Little overspray from the spray paint. So, and I couldn't get it out with alcohol. So guys, learn from my mistake. I suggest not using spray paint and use the paint with a brush. Use brush paint and not the spray paint when you're doing the rust in this area. Just in case you thought I was so careful, but then you just forget something so simple. And yeah, that's it. I've got some paint splatter on my arm, on my sleeve and my shirt. And this is my nice shirt, so next time don't wear a nice shirt when doing a spray painting. This is a UV shirt though, so I wanted to wear it because it's going to be sunny outside. I'm not thinking it's going to be raining, but this was a good shirt to wear when it's sunny day. But it was also a nice shirt that now got paint splatter. That's pretty good. Nice paint. Got 3 coats on me already, so we're good. So, the centimeters, I've got to build up that high for butyl tape. Just on this side, the other side, and a little bit here. Okay, let's get this thing out of the way. Now I install the butyl tape sealant around the hole, and carefully take out the backing tape. You can pick up this butyl tape at Amazon, but don't buy the cheap imitation one. You want the good quality one, like this one. So because this van has such a high curve, I end up putting 4 layers of this butyl tape on the left side and the right side. And I also ended up doing 2 layers high at the front and the back of the hole. I also added a 3rd layer about 2 inches each side at the corners of the front and back. This makes it level when I install the outside receiving flange. And try to get it as level as possible. Now we're ready to install the roof receiving flange. So notice these metal tabs. They must be located to the left and the right side of the van, not the front and back. Okay, so I'm pre-drilling the holes. I'm gonna I'll put another plastic bag over here just to catch some more of the shavings that's gonna come down. Just a precaution. Okay, so we're gonna drill the holes. We've got 16 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 holes. I'm gonna drill them all there, and then I'm gonna screw them down.
Now Nancy removes the plastic which caught some of our steel shavings.
Okay, she's gonna put the wood up there.
Wood right here.
Hold the wood up like that. Right? And I'm gonna be upstairs screwing it down.
Yep.
When we screw this thing down, we can't go all one side. You have to go opposite side. We got to, same thing like putting a tire in. You have to alternate one side here, one there, opposites, and we're gonna go like that. This will give it equal pressure as we bring it down, so it won't be one lopsided or the other. So we gotta go opposites. So already done. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm just gonna go the corners.
I just make sure I don't over tighten. You kind of have to get the feel of it.
No rain leaks here.
No leaking here.
Can't rain
Here.
till we go on our trip.
And here. This is wrong. There is a different one with a short screw here. So you want this long screw, not the short screw. Long one's this one.
So notice the extra butyl tape right here.
What I did is I'm gonna push it in so it beads downward, so any water is gonna bead off.
I just take the end of my scissor and push it downwards.
Here we go. So it beads downward. Actually has a nicer, cleaner look. Do that all the way around. Take the butt of my scissor.
We're also going to finish off by putting lap sealant all the way around and lap sealant on all the screws.
Okay, here's the wife bringing up the the Max air fan. Okay, got
This is the last time.
ancient Chinese way of balancing it up. Okay, all right. Okay. Ready?
Okay, action.
Okay, make sure the wire doesn't get caught, so drop it in there. All right, and make sure you know which one's the back, the front. So the back is going to be this side here, the front. Let's see how much the distance here. This is the back, that's the front. Front is over there. Drop it in, line it up. And let's see. How's it looking? There we go. All right. Looks good. Okay. So Nancy's got to bring this up. She's got to go downstairs and bring it up manually. And there's 2 holes that I got to put the screws in. Okay, Nancy's going to crank it up. There we go. Oh, there we go. Let's open it up. It's opening up. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Okay, that's good. This is what we want. We want this hole and we want the other hole. So we got to line up these 2 so we screw them together. And this one here is going to be screwed to that one here also. Same way as the other side. Okay. So on the other side over here, it's going to line up there. So it's going to go right there. We go. Let's line up. That one looks good. On the other side here. Oh, good. It's dropped in there. So now I just got to find those holes here and that hole there. And we've got 4 screws. That's the short screw. That's going to go in. So this is a screw for that. This is a short screw. It's got a flat head, and it's also a star or a Phillips. That's gonna go in there. Okay, see this metal clip over here? I can adjust it a little bit to go down and adjust it a little bit just to go up. Just it up, and this will line up to that one. I gotta go to this side here. I have to adjust this one just to go up just a little bit. Push it up there. Just push it up just a little bit higher. There we go.
Okay, time to put the lap sealant around the fan.
Okay, I put some green tape over here. You guys don't have to. I just want a cleaner. I like that nice clean lines when I put the lap sealant on. So here we go. Okay, I've taken the tape off. Let's create a straight edge, much cleaner look. I like it. Okay, it's been a long day. We started at 10 o'clock this morning, 7:30 now. So it's been a good couple hours, 7.5 hours, 7, 8, 9 hours. Okay. We didn't know how the weather was. It was really nice earlier today, sunny. Then all of a sudden it started to rain. I had to pack things up, cover up the hole, and then the sun came out. I started to do some painting, spray painting, and then it started to rain again. Then we had to, I had to cover it up again. So we finally had a break. So we're able to finish it. Long day, but we finished it. So if you like my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.
So stay tuned for future videos when we do the electrical of the Max air fan and a review of our lithium battery, the Jackery. Also our first adventure in our van when we visit Sabo Beach. And the first time sleeping in our van with Harvest Host.